We have a lovely girl here called Michelle from Dublin. Michelle turned up on our Karl Method one-day workshop, and we basically set up the day to explain those stuff. But I ended up picking Michelle as a volunteer to demonstrate the method before the whole class, before lunch. Michelle, I'm going to put them on to yourself. Without going into detail, right, would you just tell us what issues we worked on?
I was working on past pain and trauma, fears and phobias, stuff that was coming up for me that was holding me back from being able to go forward in life, just restrictions and fear, and I felt that it consumed me on a daily basis. So I always had triggers, but I was constantly coping and managing these emotions all the time, which is exhausting. So when Karl told me that he had a method that I could eradicate these fears completely from my subconscious, I was a little bit skeptical.
Yeah,
but now
me too.
But after having the experience of the Calm method, it's just mind blown. I have a sense of peace. The anxiety that's always followed me throughout my life is, I can't feel it. The connection to that is gone.
The thing is, and it's only a few hours since we did, we sort of take it for granted at this stage, but the truth is quite horrific, wasn't it? It was constant, every day,
Yeah.
As we said, if you were about to do your day's work and everything was the same as it was yesterday, no problem.
Yeah.
But if one thing was different, you had to do something out of your control. You're talking about major anxiety and then panic attacks, right? But constantly live in a state of stress because your mind is always worrying about what's going to go wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
How does your body feel?
My body feels relaxed, it feels at peace. I feel like the connections that were holding me to the fear of the thoughts that I was thinking, they're gone. There's a detachment there, but a sense of peace within that detachment as well. And it's almost like I'm still trying to process it because I haven't felt this light before.
It's only when you leave here, right, and go through your normal life. I know you're staying here with your husband tonight. It's only when you go into your normal daily life and you go, oh my God, you really get to see the power of it,
Yeah.
But I'd say the whole thing took, 20 minutes, 25 minutes?
Yeah,
And
that's it.
before we finish, Michelle, genuinely, can you even think of anything to get your panic or anxiety back? Without smiling.
No.
Okay.
It used to make me laugh because I am searching for it, and normally you don't have to look, it's just there
I'll be honest
lingering
with
in the background.
This morning, you only had to look or talk to you and you could see it constantly. It was always there.
Yeah.
And you are in the business of helping people and you have a passion for helping children, right?
Yeah.
So I'd say to Michelle here, look, whatever she is, that if she gets enough people interested, we might set up an event in her area, Balbriggan, I think it is, North County Dublin. And from me to you, you are such a lovely girl, and well done. I'm very, very proud of you, and you deserve it. You really
Thank
do.
you very much.
You need a break sometimes, okay? So look, should we talk to you soon enough? Let's see, Michelle, see you get now.